Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the absolutely beautiful Blanc Spa Resort Cancun. This is one of our all-time favorites, and currently we're in a honeymoon suite oceanfront. This is a perfect resort to celebrate a honeymoon or an anniversary, and if you do celebrate your honeymoon here, you get some extra amenities that you get to keep, and then of course some extras that you take advantage of on site as well. But let me show you what this room is all about. As soon as you come in through the door, you're gonna have your storage right here. So you've got storage up above. You also have hanging storage, your golf umbrella, iron and ironing board, and safe. You also have your robes and slippers. I highly recommend that you wear those robes down to the spa. It's a phenomenal spa here. If you want to check that out or any of the spaces at this resort, check out our full resort tour. Now, just to the left, you're gonna find your mini bar setup. So you've got upgraded premium alcohol right here, and then here you're gonna find your complimentary gift. You always have a bottle of wine that you can take with you home, or you can consume it on site. Down here, you're gonna find your Lavazza coffee maker, and just below you'll find the coffee pods, some snacks, and then all of your glassware. Just below that, you're gonna find your fully stocked mini fridge right here. It'll be stocked when you arrive, and then of course, you can have them replenish it throughout your stay. Now let me show you the bathroom. You've got your vanity right here, you've got quite a bit of space, and you're gonna see those upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. That is a fantastic thing that you get to take advantage of while staying here. Now this property just finished a $30+ million renovation, and you can see all of the upgrades throughout the resort, but especially here in the rooms. They touched every single space. You've got these brand new countertops, brand new beautiful sink. Underneath you've got storage. You're gonna have your scale just here, and then you've got extra towels as well. Just to my left, you have your backlit magnifying mirror, and then of course your full mirror in front of me. Right here, you're gonna find the shower. You've got a large shower. I'm a pretty big guy, and I got plenty of room to move around in here. You've got a huge rainforest shower head up above. You've got your shower wand, and then these extra shower jets right here as a Swiss style shower. You're also gonna find more of those upgraded Bulgari bath amenities, your bath sponge, and then they have a nice little bench down there that you can sit and soak or put your foot up. Now to my left, you're gonna find the luggage storage above and below. You also have the drawers located conveniently right next to it. Now you will have a butler in this category, which means that one of the things that they can do for you is pack and unpack. They can also make dining reservations and a wide array of concierge amenities. Other such things are taking advantage of the comfort menu, such as the pillow menu. They can get bath salts, draw a bath for you, or even provide artisanal bath soaps. To my left, you're gonna find the large flat panel smart TV. You can mirror it from your device. You can also use it to watch TV, of course, and they even can access all of the menus. Just to my left, you're gonna find the Aromatherapy. That's another one of those things that the butler can handle for you. Just to the right, you're gonna find a writing desk. Another thing they did in the renovation is added in a ton of plugs, and then they upgraded all of the lighting features throughout the entire room. You've got 2 US plugs, 4 USB plugs, and another plug on the side. Now on the side of the bed, you're gonna find some of those wonderful little touches that makes LeBlanc so special. They've got a memory foam pad just on the side of your bed, so when you step in and out, directly onto that. You also have your beach bag that's complimentary and you can take with you when you depart. Right next to the bed, you're gonna have full lighting controls. You also have 2 USB plugs, a full US plug, and also you're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker. Now this is a full king size bed, and this category only comes in the king variety. They just have the 2 double beds in the lower categories here. You're also gonna have a US plug, 2 USB plugs on the side, a redundant lighting controls, that's really nice. And then right next to there, you're gonna find the HDMI plug-in. One other way where you can mirror with the television. Now what this room is all about is this spectacular oceanfront view. Can't tell you how many different versions of blue colors I see out there in the ocean. It's absolutely magnificent. And they have this beautiful extra large soaking jacuzzi tub angled directly out to the ocean view. Now once again, your butler can draw a bath for you right here. You can open that up and wow, anyway, that's what it's all about. Across from the tub, you're gonna find 2 chairs and a table, once again set so you can take advantage of those spectacular views. And I wanted to point out this new feature. It's an E-Concierge, so you're gonna scan that and you can use WhatsApp to communicate all of the different butler and concierge services. So now I'm gonna put on my sunglasses and let some of that outside beauty in. One of the signature features here at LeBlanc is the French balcony, and this one is angled perfectly to take in those insane views. I think I could stay here forever. Now, if you want to considering an upgrade here, there's some phenomenal suites that are above this category. You can check out our videos. We have those filmed as well. But when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at LeBlanc Los Cabos or Cancun, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your LeBlanc experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We absolutely love them ourselves, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.